Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to remove picture background in Word. What you need to do. But before that, if you find this video is helpful, please subscribe to my channel and give a like. Okay, how to remove picture background in Word? Just open the Word document. After that, click Insert and then Pictures. Now just insert the picture. You can insert the picture from this device, stock image, or online pictures. Okay, I have the picture in this device. And then in the desktop, okay, this one, just double click. Okay, now to remove the picture, click here, remove background. And this the purple area, PowerPoint guess will remove this. But here you can select if mark areas to keep or mark areas to remove. Okay, here mark areas to keep, because this part I will keep it. And I mark areas to keep. This area I need to keep too. After that, click Keep Changes. Yeah, this is what you need to do if you want to know how to remove picture background in Word. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.